Are you a mom like me trying to figure out what to wear, how to keep up with the trends? Where's the best place to go shopping? To skinny jean or not to skinny jean? That is the big question. I am gonna help you out today. I am breaking down what my mom wardrobe is gonna be for fall 2022 and kind of heading into the winter a little bit. You know what? It is so hard to keep up with the trends, and being a mom, we have to be realistic. We're running errands. We still have to get down on our knees and play, go outside of the playground, head to the grocery store, have date night, go to parent-teacher interviews, all of the things, and we want to look cute, we want to look on trend, but we also want to be comfortable. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the video because I am going to help you out today with some easy tips and tricks and break down my fall wardrobe for you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, and lifestyle. So make sure you guys follow along for more, click that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So for this video, I'm gonna go through all of my kind of closet staples, what I'm currently wearing, and some outfits, and how I'm piecing them all together. I'll put a side-by-side of outfits that I'm wearing so that you guys can get a good view of it, and then shop your own closet. That is my first big tip, is shop your own closet, and don't get rid of too much because trends always tend to come back. Now, I do not hop on the bandwagon too much when it comes to like crazy trends or things that I know that just don't suit me. I tend to stick to kind of like a classic trend. However, this year, especially for fall, I'm craving some color. So you're gonna start to see some color and some pops of color thrown into some outfits, but let's get into outfit number one. For outfit number one, let's talk about jeans and t-shirts. Now, I am a sucker for a good jeans and t-shirts outfit. It is a classic and never goes out of style, but what I'm really into this season and what I've been seeing is that the crew neck is definitely in and the V-neck isn't in as much. I've fallen in love with these Forever Soft crew neck tees from the Gap. I found them actually at the Gap factory outlet and I got them in every single color. What I love about them is that it just falls at the right place. Most of my jeans are like sky high or high waist. It falls just the right place to tuck it in. I usually like to tuck my t-shirts in at the front and they are so soft. They wash really well. They're super comfortable. You can dress it up, dress it down. But this jeans and t-shirts outfit is such a classic, especially for doing the school run in the morning. It's a no-brainer. I can throw on a jean jacket, a moto jacket, and I am ready to hit that playground and I feel good and I feel confident. Now, for this outfit, I've paired it with these wide leg jeans. I've actually found these jeans at Reitmans. I have a couple other wide leg pairs, but they have rips in them, and that's one thing that I found is that rips are kind of on the way out and that clean classic line are on the way in. And these Reitman jeans fit me really well and I felt really comfortable in them. And I've paired them with these chunky boots from 9 West. I also have these chocolate brown chunky boots from last season. These are from Dirty Laundry. I picked these up at Winners and I wore them over and over and over again. But this year I upped with these 9 West chunky boots. They're a little bit more sturdy and they have a bit of a thicker sole. So with these wide leg jeans, I feel like it really helps out the proportions with these wider leg pants. All right, so for this next outfit, I've been seeing this particular sweater everywhere at every price point, and I love it. But again, ding, 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 the winner is Reitmans. I know. I found this half zip sweater at Reitmans in this really nice black and white, I guess it's more of a cream, black and cream knit. It is so comfortable. It fits so well. And another tip for you guys, really be honest with yourself about your size. I fell into this kind of frumpy rut where I started sizing up and I was sizing up too much. I think I was getting into like that oversized trend too much where it like made me look bigger than I am, and I've sized down and everything fits me well and I feel just like better about myself. So watch out for that little trap of that oversized trend. But Reitmans has so many different sizes. The price point was fantastic. And then jeans. Now these jeans are not new, but I absolutely love these jeans. These are from the Gap and I have fallen in love with jeans from the Gap. These are the flare high-rise jeans and I absolutely love them. I bought them in a few different colors. They wash so well. They feel so good on. I feel like they really elongate my leg. I love this outfit for fall, and I know that I'm gonna be rocking it quite a few times. This outfit I feel really confident in, and I love it. Okay, let's talk about color. I've been noticing color popping up here and there and everywhere, but I've also been noticing everybody on TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram sticking to kind of like that monochromatic, really, really clean, neutral, basic wardrobe. And I'm trying to break out of it. I'm craving some color. In the past, when you'd open up my closet and be like, black, 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 gray, white, beige, black, black, gray, white, and I'm trying to break free. So I found this cardigan. Now these cardigans you're seeing everywhere right now, I fell in love with it. This is from Winners, this is BCBG, and it is so soft, but the color is what got me. It just screamed fun, and sometimes when it's dark out and cold, I want to brighten up and I want to have some fun. I love this color, this like nice fuchsia pink color. Then also this Kelly green. I've been seeing Kelly green colors everywhere, so I invested in this. So really like a couple statement sweaters, some good pair of jeans, and you are ready to go for the fall. You really don't need too much else. Now next up for these outfits, this is for those moms who still have to go to the office, still have to work, but sometimes you can get away with that business casual look. I wanted to update my blazers. I wanted a little bit more of a fun, oversized blazer, and I found this one from Winners. This is from the brand Dollhouse, and I love it. It is this cool burgundy color with navy, and there's also a cream check in here. So that means you can get away with anything. Now dressing in the rule of threes is really flattering when you have like a pant, a top, and a jacket over top. I usually use this trick quite often, but I just thought for work that this was really cool. It was updated for the fall. I had this nice Ralph Lauren navy blue t-shirt underneath, this blazer, my dark denim skinny jeans. Yes, I'm still gonna rock those skinny jeans with a simple pair of heels, and I'm ready to go to the office. I still feel really comfortable and pulled together, but yet I'm having a little bit more fun with the color. All right, so this next outfit is how you compare basics that are already in your closet and also spice it up a little bit. So this first outfit requires you to have a black turtleneck and a black pair of jeans. Right now I'm gonna rock these skinny jeans. These are my favorite skinny jeans from the Gap. They're the universal legging high rise. I have on those chunky black boots again, and then I'm just gonna change up this outfit in 4 different ways. First outfit is this black leather moto jacket. I've had this jacket for probably almost 10 years now. It's an investment. This is from Danier Leather, but it goes with everything. It makes outfits a little bit more dressed up, a little bit more dressed down. It's a classic. These just never go out of style. Now the next jacket, kind of shacket that I picked up, is from Reitmans again, and I fell in love with this kind of like houndstooth mohair fabric. I think it is so cute, it is so comfortable, and it really just elevates an outfit. I feel fancier, I feel a little bit more grown up in this jacket. Now this was $89 and I got it on sale, so always check Reitmans for their sales. But yes, just goes to show, and you can pair this with dress pants as well, leather pants. This would be super cute, but just goes to show how much a jacket can change a classic, easy outfit. All right, dressing down the outfit. Now let's talk about shackets for a second. I love shackets, and I'm gonna put a link in the description down below to this video that I did last year. And I picked up on some great shackets, and I love them, and I still love them. And all the outfits that I bought last year, I'm still gonna wear this year. I'm just kind of updating my shackets. Now this one that I found, I also did get it in cream. This is from RW & Co, and I love it. It is their high-low Sherpa jacket. It is so warm, it is so comfortable, and it is so cozy warm. So I'm a mommy with a little one who has lots of activities, and one of those activities is skating this year. So I know that I'll be nice and snug and warm sitting on the side of the rink as she's doing her skating lessons in this beautiful brown Sherpa jacket. They also have it in cream. Now I got it on sale, and I refuse to buy anything that's not on sale. So make sure you guys pull out for those sales. Then the last one, I've updated my denim jacket. I needed to. My denim jacket just wasn't fitting right. I've washed it so many times. It was almost like that crop level, and that crop kind of style jacket I know is definitely out of style. So I went to the Gap Factory outlet, and I did size up for this one though, because I want to be able to fit some like hoodies and chunkier knits under this. This is just their classic denim jacket. I love it. It is so, yeah, denim jackets just never go out of style, and the Gap is always for the win. So the next closet staple is a sweater dress. You can get these from anywhere and everywhere, every color, every shape, every style. I have had this sweater dress in my closet for years, and I continue to go back to it. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Just like that last outfit with the skinny jeans and the turtleneck, it's the exact same thing. Pair it with a leather jacket, a blazer, a jean jacket, and you're ready to go. This outfit is so versatile, so if you're looking for one thing in your closet to maybe invest in this year, I highly recommend a sweater dress. Now this next outfit I know I'm gonna be living in, especially when it goes into the colder months like November, December, January, February. This actually might be just all year round, but it is a vest. Now last year, I did an outfit really similar to this, and I was kicking myself because I knew that longer vests were in style, but I didn't invest in one. Well, this year, all that has changed. Gone are the days that I like to show my bum off with like crop tops and like just leggings and a t-shirt or a short vest, or like those cute little like bomber vests. I'm just not comfortable doing that. And if you are, I bow down to you, and I'm so jealous. It's just not for me. But I found this oversized longer vest, and what I love about it is that it's cinched in at the waist, and it's not too thick where it like makes me look larger than I want to look. I love it. I've actually found this vest at Laura's. It was a little bit pricier, but I did get it on sale. I tried a size up and I didn't like it. I tried a size down and I love it. There's enough room. I've paired this longer hoodie dress that I got from Old Navy underneath of it with some leggings and my chunky black boots, and I know that I'm ready to go, whether it's outside or inside. I'm ready for all occasions. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this little fall try-on haul. Just remember, I am not a professional. I do not do this for a living. I'm just a mom who likes to look cute and comfortable in whatever I'm wearing for any occasion. Let me know down in the comments below what styles you are keeping your eye on, but just remember, if you love it, that's all that matters. If you want to wear it and it's not on trend, who cares? You rock it, you feel good about yourself, and I'll see you in my next video.